In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate tasks on Windows with Power Automate. We're going to build a simple desktop automation using Microsoft's Power Automate Desktop. This tool lets you chain together actions, like opening apps, organizing files, pulling data from Excel, or even clicking buttons on the screen, so your computer handles repetitive work for you. Start by opening a browser and going to make.powerautomate.com. At the top, choose Download, then Power Automate Desktop. Run the installer when it finishes, and sign in with your Microsoft account so your tools and flows stay connected. If you're on Windows 11, there's a good chance Power Automate Desktop is already installed. You can check by opening the Start menu and searching for Power Automate. If you find it there, you can skip the download and jump right in. Now open Power Automate Desktop. On the main screen, click New Flow. Give your flow a clear, descriptive name, something that reminds you what it does, like File Organizer or Daily Report, and then click Create. This opens the Designer, where the center is your workspace, and the left-hand pane lists all the actions you can use. You'll add actions by dragging them from the left into the main workspace. If you're not sure where something is, use the search bar at the top of the Actions pane to find it quickly. You'll see common options such as Launch Application, which opens a specific program, Create Folder, which builds a new directory, Move File, perfect for reorganizing documents, Read from Excel to pull values from a workbook, Send Email for automatic notifications, click UI Element, which lets you interact with buttons and fields on screen, and Extract Data from Web, helpful for grabbing text or tables from a page. Just drag any of these into the canvas. When you drop an action, a dialog will ask for its details. For example, Launch Application might need the path to the app, Move File needs a source and destination, and Read from Excel needs the file path in sheet or range. Fill in what's requested and click Save. The order of actions from top to bottom is the exact sequence your flow will follow, so arrange them logically. You can drag actions up or down to change the order and rename them to keep things clear. That's the basic setup. You've installed Power Automate Desktop, created a new flow, and started building by dragging and configuring actions. With this foundation, you can mix steps like creating a folder, moving a file, and sending a confirmation email to automate everyday tasks on your Windows machine.